This is the Daily Market Comment at XM.com by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Christina Marujos. The main story on Friday was that the Trump administration is examining whether to restrict U.S. financial flows into China. According to reports, Washington is considering delisting Chinese companies from U.S. stock exchanges and instructing state pension funds to limit their exposure to Chinese markets, which would effectively spiral the trade war into a financial war. American stocks closed in the red, yet the reaction in the FX market was relatively limited, with defensive plays like the yen and Swiss franc spiking higher, but not dramatically. Frankly, this looks like a classic Trump power move more than anything else, intended to soften Beijing's negotiating stance ahead of the upcoming talks by making it clear that tariffs are not the only weapon on the table. While this is worrisome, for now the narrative remains largely intact. Both sides typically play up hopes for a breakthrough before each negotiating round, so the next days may be characterized by a sense of optimism that progress can be made. The New Zealand dollar can catch a break as it dropped to a new four-year low versus its U.S. counterpart earlier today after another disappointing business confidence print hit the markets. This raises the odds of another rate cut in November, the implied probability for which shot up to approximately 66% after these data. Admittedly, the only thing that can stay in the RBNZ's hand at this point would be a substantial de-escalation in the U.S.-China standoff, and since that looks unlikely, more losses for the Kiwi shouldn't be ruled out. The British pound took a hit on Friday after BOE policymaker Saunders said that rates may need to be cut if Brexit uncertainty persists. Headlines today suggest that UK opposition leaders will meet to force Prime Minister Johnson to ask Brussels for a Brexit extension much earlier. If they're successful, that could also bring forward the timing of a general election, which may be good news for the pound. Thank you for watching the Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great week.